This is a lock file. It prevents two programs from writing to a database at the same time. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the lock. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest LCK files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. A LCK file, or program lock file, is a system file used by various applications to indicate that a specific resource or file is currently in use. This prevents multiple instances of the same program or conflicting processes from accessing and potentially corrupting the data simultaneously. It acts as a semaphore or flag. LCK files are typically small and contain minimal data, often just a process ID or a timestamp. The presence of an LCK file signals to other processes that the associated resource is locked. The application responsible for creating the LCK file is also responsible for deleting it when the resource is released. Failure to do so can lead to errors. The LCK proprietary design mandates association with Microsoft Notepad from Microsoft Corporation. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows offers only surface-level viewing, so proper interpretation requires external tools or manuals. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the LCK file and click Open With. Test Microsoft Notepad if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If your LCK file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The error you're seeing is standard for a LCK file lacking the right context. Quickly review these key details with me before we move on to the fix. First, recognize the file type. Understand that aea.lck file is a temporary lock file created by a program, e.g. Adobe Dreamweaver database, and is not meant to be opened manually. Next, close associated program. Ensure all associated programs are closed. Finally, delete the file. If the file persists, safely delete the LCK file to remove the stale lock. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.